I'm at Los Cristianos Harbour, Tenerife, and they've got a wee bit of a festival going on, but I'm just going to do a wee walking tour towards the H10 Big Sur. I'm going to show you the beach, the promenade. It is a bit noisy, so it might be a wee bit hard to understand me. Those that have got a problem with my accent, you might find it even harder. So yes, I've got a very broad Scottish accent. So let's check out, and I'm going to show you a few things on the way. So they've got a whole festival is absolutely bouncing. I wasn't sure what it was at first. At first I thought it was a volleyball, but if you look, there's a cardboard thing there and a pile of wood. I'm pretty confident later on at night they're going to set fire to it, and that'll be quite interesting. I didn't know this festival was on, but I'm going to come down and have a wee look about, see, and try and figure out what it is, but maybe for another video. Oh, it's way too loud. Oh, I'm almost out of there. Very loud, very, very loud. Just going to show you over here, there's the restaurant areas. You've got Bells, a few nice restaurants. Lanaire's is probably my favourite. But if you want some junk food, there's Burger King. Look at that beach. There in the background you can see the Viking boat. But it is very busy, but it gets quieter as you go further down. Los Cristianos is known for its laid back vibe, very relaxed kind of place, but it's not usually as jumping as this, and it is absolutely jumping. This place here, it's doing the latest in junk food. A pizza dog, yeah, a hot dog wrapped up on a pizza. How healthy. There's an excursion company here, Tenerife BBB, but I'm going to recommend one further down the line, and I'll show you that in a wee minute. Well, a couple of minutes. I'm just going to show you this wee bit. See, it's getting quieter. There's a wee cafe in the corner. You get smoothies, cocktails, tea and coffee. And I should say, it's golden hour here, and it's just after 8 o'clock. Those that don't know, golden hour's when the sun's at its peak. It's ideal for filming. I can't quite see it. I think the sun's down a wee bit. And I think I might have missed it for this video. I did do a video on the way down. Let's see. There's a Hyper supermarket. Got a lot of things in there. When I stayed in the H10 Big Sur, that was quite handy. The sun's went down a bit. It's still a nice time of night to walk about. And you get this, people doing the hairs, baseball cards, football t-shirts. Did go through a period of doing different baseball hats, trying to make myself stick out a wee bit. I settled on the Panama hat. If it gets too sunny, you can just dip down. Also protects the back of the head, so I had with something like this. I'm gutted, but I brought my proper Panama hat from Vegas with me, and it's just the heat, the sweat, it just destroyed it. Middle of June is filming, so I had to get this one, but I quite like this one as well. So I'll just show you here. if you go up there, there's a few different restaurants. There's like Indians, Italians, quite a few different things there. We've got Fedo's steak restaurant. Now I haven't tried that, but I've been told it's quite good. Up the top is Kinsella's, the old Irish bar, and wait till you see the sign they've got. Just up here. Kinsella's, the old Irish bar. Anybody that wants beer, look up, free beer. Their Wi-Fi password. That it definitely stops traffic a wee bit. There's a few wee restaurants here that me and Jacqueline like. First one's Kebab Guru. Now we haven't done it this trip, but maybe tomorrow. Next to it we've got our Indian. Not sure of the name of it, but Mirage, I don't know. But I had an Indian there earlier and I really liked it. Great level of spice. There's El Turco Kebab. Jacqueline had a chicken burger there that she quite liked. There's an Irish bar up there. I heard someone playing live music in there earlier and they were really good, so I'd recommend it. There's a couple of wee gift shops. I'm going to show you a wee hidden gem up here. I've shown this in a couple of videos, but I'll show it again. It's worth showing. Damien's Bar and Tapas. Draft beer, €1.50. 2 glasses of wine, 2 for €4. Cocktail of the day, 2 for €8. And it's just up there, so check that out. And there is the H10 Big Sur. So this is the H10 Big Sur. It's a lovely hotel, highly recommended. Some say it's overpriced, but I don't know. I quite like it. Food's quite nice in it. Well, it was a couple of years I was there, but I do really like that hotel. Do have a soft spot for it. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and please like, subscribe and share. Check out all my other videos. It really helps the channel out, and take care, and bye bye.